Breathe easy with Delta Breez. Our powerful bathroom ventilation fans help improve the air quality in your home. Our Elite series introduces the industry's first mounting brackets that quickly slide out for installation in new construction, saving contractors time and energy. For remodeling projects, the brackets stay hidden to allow for easy room-side installation. All Elite fans are certified Energy Star Most Efficient by the EPA, a designation so elite that only 2.5% of bathroom exhaust fans meet the mark. With energy savings up to 67% over AC motor fans, a Delta BreezElite fan will be easy on your wallet and good for the environment. All Delta Breez fans use our advanced brushless DC motor technology and are designed to run continuously for 70,000 hours. That's peace of mind for the next 8 years. Our fans ventilate your bathroom with virtually silent precision. With a green LED indicator light, you'll know we're still working, day in and day out. Other cutting-edge features include humidity sensors, motion sensors, and adjustable fan speeds. With a life of 30,000 hours, our bright LED lights mean you'll never have to change out the bulb. This is Delta Breez, a breath of fresh air.